Almighty calls my name to return this life I've only borrowed. There'll be no pause, no last tomorrow, no extensions left to claim. So I rise each morning in the light, grateful for breath, for one more sunrise. I choose to give, to help, to share, to be the answer to someone's prayer. I am not afraid to die, for I have lived a life so wide, with love around me like a tide, from my family, friends, and strangers kind. No, I'm not rich in gold or fame, but love has filled my every day. And when I leave, just let me be a soul that smiles peacefully. I've tasted miracles I couldn't dream, felt grace in places so unseen, held by a wife so strong and true, and children who made my skies turn blue. This heart has danced through joy and ache, but never once did my faith break. So if tonight should be my last, I've lived a life so full, so vast. I am not afraid to die, for love has been my lullaby. With every hug, with every sigh, heaven's whispered, you lived it right. No need for tears, just say goodbye, and remember me with peaceful eyes. I am not afraid to die, for love has been my lullaby. With every hug, with every sigh, heaven's whispered, you lived it right. No need for tears, just say goodbye, and remember me with peaceful eyes.